What's up everyone, Monster Mike, and this is Humpdays. This is Huck. That's right, 1972 Ford Bronco. I am super pumped to show you guys more about this Bronco. I've been talking about it, I've been telling you I'm gonna tell you more about it, and it's coming, I swear. But the thing is I purchased this Bronco, and after driving it around a little bit, I feel like it's an opportunity to be just like you. Whether it's your first Bronco or your second or your kid's Bronco, whoever, you're gonna find things about it after you buy it that you don't quite like or you didn't understand and you wanna fix them. And those are things that I'm going through as well, and I'm gonna break that down. I can't wait to show you that. Now, for now, on Humpdays, I wanna talk to you about some cool videos that just came out. That's right, we've got the gas tank video, the unbox that just launched yesterday. You know, I'm gonna tell you, even if you're not in the market for a gas tank, you should check out the first couple minutes of the video just for the bad acting and the terrible costumes. I'm telling you, it is hilarious. So, and from there, before that, we also launched a brand new video on how to install your MS 2020 shocks. That's right, it's a new shock line from James Duff, and it shows you how to do this without breaking your back. It's a great shock and a great video, so please go to YouTube and check that out. Guys, we've got a ton of content that we're working on. We're having a lot of fun. We're trying to show you guys some cool new products and some stuff coming out from Lick Creek Restorations as well as James Duff. Those are definitely gonna be hitting soon. So go subscribe to YouTube and also check out dufftuff.com. All right, guys, so here's the deal. If you go to dufftuff.com, whether you're a new customer or not, definitely want to sign up for the newsletter. It's about to go out, and there's some really cool stuff in there that shows you some new products coming up. Well, I am out here running errands. It's a beautiful hot day in Tennessee, and I got to get those done. I got to get them all set, so I will catch you guys next time. See you later. Come on, start for me.